guys, I'm on my way to O'Reilly's to buy a battery for this Nissan. I have an account there, so hopefully I get a discount. If I do, I'm going to let you know. Hello guys, and welcome to another Serge Zimaleta. In today's video, I will be replacing a battery in this Nissan Altima SV 2013 model. But the main thing is, I want to show you guys what a bad battery that's about to explode looks like. And do you got the rotten egg smell in your car? That's the only way I could describe it. If you do, it's your battery. Mine was smoking today, and I don't know where that smoke was coming from, but I just got the situation, and I want to show you like what's going on. That battery is literally boiling, and smoke is coming out of that battery. So it is definitely unsafe. You can't really be driving like that with that battery. And not only that, it caused like little tiny electrical issues while I'm driving, because that thing has something happened on the inside with the battery to where like it like jammed up or shorted out inside, and this is why it's happening. That's why it's smoking, and obviously it's not providing the proper amount of juice for the car. Or is it safe to drive? And I'm thinking, what is this smell in my car? I keep smelling rotten eggs. Like, that's embarrassing. I keep the car clean. You know, I don't have any kind of like food in it and stuff. I'm thinking, what's going on here? But anyways guys, let me show you what's going on. Guys, I keep getting a rotten egg smell in my car, in my Nissan Altima SV 2013, and I was like thinking, what is that? But take a look at that, guys. This is what I'm breathing. It is actually smoking. I don't know if you can see this, but it's smoking, and it smells like rotten eggs over here, like underneath the hood. Never seen that before. This is, whew, it's horrible. I'm thinking, what is that? You know, what is that smell? And I was thinking, maybe inside like the tubes and stuff, maybe there's mold growing, maybe I'm smelling that. But that's what it is, guys. And I just got a brand new battery, like a really good one, and I'm getting actually ready to install it. But guys, can you see how it's like smoking? Like, just look at it. Smoke coming out of these caps, and it stinks. It's really, really bad. I'm going to feel so good having a new battery in there. But guys, what can you expect? You know, this car, I bought it at the auction, and it's a run and drive, and it's been sitting there for a while, so the battery did die, and currently it is starting on this battery. So I guess that was good enough for it to actually run through the auction. So I guess they decided that let's just put this dead battery in there, somewhat charged, somebody's gonna buy it, this is gonna run and, you know, drive and stuff, so they don't have to spend an extra $239 like I did. So that's in there. So when I get ready to sell this car, which I'm going to be listing it today, someone's going to be really happy with a new battery. Guys, this is the battery I got. Superstar Premium. 2-year warranty on this thing. Unfortunately, non-transferable. Guys, have a listen to this. I don't know if you could hear it. It's actually making a noise, like it's like that, like it's boiling on the inside. I've never seen that before with batteries, guys. That's my first time, and gosh, that stuff stinks. It's like some kind of acid, and I'm pretty sure that stuff is not good for your health. Actually, removing a battery when it's smoking like that, it's not a good idea, but I have no choice. I'm in a hurry. Hey guys, I ended up picking up one more battery. And I thought it was going to be the same type of battery, but it's not. I have a 2010 Nissan Rogue, and believe it or not, it actually takes a different type of battery. Check this out. Look at that. That goes on a Nissan Rogue, and that goes on a Nissan Altima. Surprisingly, a different size battery. I wasn't about to smell those rotten eggs all the way home. And as a matter of fact, guys, that battery was boiling. And that's bad. Like, that is like horrible. I took it inside and like, let's get this battery out of here. That thing is boiling, it's about to explode. I'm like, can I do that? Like, yes, they've seen it happen. So, you know, I don't want to go with that battery home. So I thought, you know what, next project is 2010 Nissan Rogue. I gotta get that thing situated, so I gotta have a good battery for it. So I went ahead and actually picked up this one. So we got a Super Start Extreme and we got a Super Start Premium. This is a 2-year battery and this is a 3-year replacement battery. So got date 120 on this. So what is the difference? Well, this one cold cranking amps is 575 and reserve capacity is 90, and this one cold cranking amps is 640 and reserve cranking amps is, I mean, the reserve capacity is 95, like not a 90, so it's a little bit stronger. But anyways, guys, I gotta get this stuff installed and get going. But I like to talk about this different kind of stuff in my videos, just to educate my viewers on different type of stuff. Because listen, this is first time I've run into this situation, and with a battery boiling. Gosh, that's horrible. Hey guys, the battery's installed, so I'm ready to go. Guys, I didn't have the proper tools. Well, I didn't have any tools for that matter to try to install this battery myself. Well, O'Reilly's, they offered to install the battery for me, but I said, you know what? Let me do it myself. The battery's smoking, it's a little bit unsafe. Oh, they said, yeah, you're right. We have to wait till it cools down and stuff like that. So they were not gonna touch the battery until it cools down, you know. But I want to get this thing out of my car as soon as possible, because if there's chances of it exploding, which there is, I don't want to explode it underneath the hood. So now that everything's replaced, we could get going.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.